Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with Bluetooth devices like your mouse, headphones or keyboard on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that problem. Go to search menu and type services. Open it. In services search for Bluetooth service guys. You just need to select double click on it, Bluetooth audio gateway service. Set startup type to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, select start and apply and OK. The same thing for Bluetooth support service. Double click on it and select startup type to automatic and select start and apply and OK. And the same thing for Bluetooth user service. Double click on it and select automatic and select start service and apply and OK. And OK, I'm getting error guys. That's not a problem. Just need to close out of here, and you can also try troubleshooting guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Troubleshoot setting, open it, select other troubleshooters and scroll down guys, select the Bluetooth troubleshoot to run. Bluetooth is not available on this device. I am not using Bluetooth guys. Please try using an external adapter to add Bluetooth capability to this computer. I'm not using Bluetooth, that's why I'm getting this problem. But troubleshooting automatically detect the problem and fixes common related problem like this guys. Select yes and click close the troubleshooter and close out of here guys. And you can also update the drivers, Bluetooth drivers guys. Go to search menu and type device manager, open it. So I'm not actually using Bluetooth guys, that's why I'm not getting Bluetooth guys in here. Device manager, you just want to expand the Bluetooth option over here. You just need to expand it and select under here. You just need to select all thing in here in Bluetooth section. You just need to click update driver and select auto search automatically for drivers. Do the same thing for Bluetooth. Just need to expand the Bluetooth, and the same thing for whatever listed here guys. You just need to update it the same way. You just need to update it guys and close out of here. Hopefully your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.